It was a warm afternoon in the English countryside. A young Isaac Newton sat beneath an apple tree, lost in thought. Suddenly, a ripe apple detached itself from a branch and tumbled towards the earth. Thump! The apple landed close to Newton, jolting him from his thoughts. This seemingly ordinary event sparked an extraordinary idea in Newton's mind. Could there be a hidden force pulling the apple towards the ground? This simple question led Newton to one of the most significant discoveries in the history of science, the force of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that attracts objects towards each other. It's what pulls us down to the Earth, keeping us from floating away. It's also the force that keeps the Moon orbiting around our planet and the Earth revolving around the Sun. Gravity depends on two things: mass and distance. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravitational pull. The closer objects are to each other, the stronger the force of attraction between them. Newton's discovery of gravity revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He realized that the same force that pulls an apple to the ground also governs the motion of planets and stars. This led him to formulate his famous laws of motion and universal gravitation. Newton's laws explained why objects fall at the same rate regardless of their weight in the absence of air resistance. They also explained the motion of celestial bodies, providing a unified explanation for both earthly and cosmic phenomena. His work laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. Gravity plays a vital role in our daily lives. It keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, allowing us to walk, run, and jump. It dictates the flow of rivers, the ocean tides, and the trajectory of a thrown ball. From the simple act of pouring a glass of water to the complex engineering feats of building skyscrapers, gravity influences countless aspects of our world. Understanding gravity allows us to design airplanes that fly, satellites that orbit the Earth, and rockets that travel to space. Curiosity about a falling apple led to a profound scientific breakthrough. This reminds us that even the most ordinary events can spark extraordinary discoveries. So the next time you see an apple fall, remember the invisible force at play and the power of human curiosity to unlock the secrets of the universe.